In this video, we will show you how to record internal audio on Windows 11. Maybe you're curious how you can record the internal audio on Windows 11. What is internal audio? Internal audio is audio that appear from your system. For example, like this. Okay, every sound that appear from your Windows is internal audio. To record them, you can using snipping tool bring by default on Windows 11. But you need to check for your snipping tool, make sure you have the latest version. Okay, in here I'm already have the snipping tool, so I can just open it. Okay, for snipping tool we can take a screenshot and we can take a recording. Okay, please click the recording tab here and then go to the settings with click this three dot button and choose settings, and you need to scroll down here. Okay, you can see this is the screen recording. You can include system audio by default when a screen recording starts. This is you must enable. Okay, if the settings on your Windows is off, make sure this is on. Okay, let me show you how we can record using this snipping tool. Okay, with the audio is recording the system audio. Okay, if you're using microphone, you can just also active this, but in here we need just system audio. So let's start to recording using this application. After you click here, just click new, and for example I will record only this. Okay, and then click start. Now let me show you how we can playing the sound from our system. Now let's save our video. We can click stop recording, and this is the preview. Let's just play this video. Okay, okay, that's all. You can hear that we successfully record the internal audio on our Windows using snipping tool. The lightweight application bring default by Microsoft, and you can update if you don't have this feature. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the comments below, and thanks for watching.